Last issue we shared how to perform AR stakeout with Visual RTK G60 plus GNSS receiver. This issue, let's look at how to perform point stakeout with IMU RTK G60Pro GNSS receiver. First, we calibrated the 3 known point coordinates in the survey area. This is a 1-point coordinates. This is a 2-point coordinates. This is a 3-point coordinates. Open RTK Software Geodex 6.0. Click the point stakeout function. We click database to select the 3 control point coordinates just calibrated as stakeout points. We are now at point A3. We can start from the 3-point coordinates to stake. Select it and click the stakeout. In the staking interface, we can click the setting to make a stakeout settings. Set the remind range to 1 meter, and it will automatically stake out within 1 meter of the stakeout point. Then the stakeout can be successful. Next, let's stake out the second point coordinates A2. We follow the direction of the compass needle to the A2 stakeout point. During the staking process, a tilt measurement initialization prompt will appear. Then there will be a wait fixed solution. We just need to wait for the change from GNSS to fixed is okay. We can see that the distance shown here is getting smaller, which means we are almost reaching the second point. Now, we come to the A2 point coordinates. The second point coordinate stakeout is finished. Next, let's stake out the third point coordinates A1. We still follow the direction of the compass needle to the next stakeout point and wait for the fixed solution. Now, we come to the A1 point coordinates. The third point coordinate stakeout is finished. This is the regular point stakeout performed by G60Pro GNSS receiver. We can see that the accuracy of reaching the 3 stakeout points position is within 2 to 3 centimeters. For more exciting content, welcome to follow our channel at Geodex Surveying Technology.